Hello everybody, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on factoring differences of squares. We see this expression here, a squared minus b squared. Now factoring differences of squares is really quite simple. All we need to do is come up with our two binomials, which is a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So it's very simple, and we can see if we multiply this out, we'll have a squared, and then we'll have our negative b times our a, negative ba, a times b, positive AB, and last of all, we'll have negative B squared. And we can see when we simplify this, AB, negative BA and positive AB will cancel out. And we'll just be left with A squared minus B squared, which is exactly what we started with. So let's look at an example of factoring a difference of squares. So we can see here we have x squared minus 16. You know that x squared is a perfect square because it's just x times x. We know that 16 is a perfect square because it's just 4 times 4. So when we factor this out, it's quite simple. We'll just have x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 4. We can see if we multiply that out, x times our x is x squared. And like we saw in the other example, our negative 4x and our positive 4x will cancel out. And last of all, negative 4 times 4 minus 16. So we can see that this is indeed the correct factoring. Alright, let's do one more example. This one we have 64x squared minus 81y squared. So this one's a little bit more tricky because we have numbers in front of our variables. But our formula will still work as long as these coefficients are perfect squares, which they are. We know that 64 is just 8 times 8, and 81 is 9 times 9. So another way that we could write this is just 8x quantity squared minus 9y quantity squared. So you see that this new way of writing it is equivalent to our original problem. So when we factor this out, it'll just be like all the other examples. We'll have 8x minus 9y multiplied by 8x plus 9y. Thank you for watching. If you would like more tutorials, please comment below or email freemathtutor@outlook.com.